So in the question we have initial velocity of the particle is equal to 5 meter per second in the east direction, and final velocity of the particle is equal to 5 meter per second but in the north direction for time t is equal to 10 seconds. So acceleration is equal to how much? We need to find acceleration. So these three are given. We need to find this. Let's plot this. This is east direction, this is west, this is north, and this is south. This is positive x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis. Initial velocity is in the east direction. So this is the direction of initial velocity, and final velocity is in the north direction. This is the direction of final velocity. So we know acceleration is v minus u by t. So v is in the positive v is in positive y direction, and positive u is in positive x direction. But we need for negative u. So u minus u will be in this direction. So acceleration is equal to v. V is in north direction, which is in positive y-axis. So v is equal to 5j cap minus u. U is in plus u is in positive x-axis, minus u is in plus u is in positive x-axis, and negative u is in negative x-axis. So minus 5. It's in x-axis, so I cap. By t, time is 10 seconds. From this we can take 5 common. J cap minus I cap by 10. 5 ones, 5 twos. So this is 1 j cap minus 1 I cap. So square root of 1 square plus 1 square by 2. 1 square is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, root 2 by 2. So root 2, 2 you can write it as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled, and 1 by root 2 is the acceleration. So acceleration is equal to 1 by root 2, and its direction will be in this direction. It will be northwest direction. So magnitude of acceleration is 1 by root 2, and its direction is northwest. So the option is B.